the day before I actually got my symptoms, I now recall I was extremely exhausted. I was in a Zoom webinar and I remember not being able to keep my eyes open and literally just going off to sleep throughout that webinar. And I didn't realize, I thought it was an erratic sleep pattern, but I didn't realize that on that day that this could potentially be COVID. Though the very next day, at night, I started getting high fever, about 100, 101. And the very next morning, I got up with an excruciating headache, which is very unusual. I'm not someone who's susceptible to headaches. And because it was such an unusual headache throughout my skull, the top of my head was throbbing. And of course, I had had fever the night before and I had taken a paracetamol so I could sleep. I wanted to sleep comfortably. I had this hunch that this was going to be COVID, and through the day the fever didn't break, which made it even more obvious to me. The headache hadn't improved. I had a dull throb throughout the day, and I was trying to book a test, and those days tests weren't very easily available. But I managed to get a test booked for a day after that, fortunately. But the unusual headache was something that really gave it up, and the exhaustion for a day or two before that. My CT count was 15. So I am very well versed with the product. I've known and used the product for different symptoms before. I think the day my test report came, I had already lost my sense of smell and taste. This was on the third day. Before that, my fever was in checks. But the day I lost my smell and taste is when I got the 3 oils recommended by you. One was the Whiff Biospray, the Whiff oil. The other one was the Sudarshan AV oil, and the third one was Bactoclear. And since I'm already a believer, and this has been such an overwhelming situation with this disease, and the fact that a lot of people don't really know how unpredictable it is, I didn't want to take any risk, and I blindly followed the instructions. I was using the oil 4 times a day as per instruction. Those were possibly enough gap that I was awake. I was sleeping through the rest of the time, but over my waking hours, at least 4 times a day. And then there was also a suggestion to use 2 of the oils in my steam inhalation, which I was doing at least twice a day with the oils and twice a day with fresh water. So that's how the use of the oils progressed for me. So I'm going to say this has been a mix of the right inputs and a lot of grace, because from the very first day that I started applying the oils, I started feeling much, much better. I was extremely lethargic though. I was sleeping a lot. But apart from that, from the day I started using the oils and my medication together, I have had no body ache. My fever was manageable from day 4. That's almost 24 hours after being on the oils. My smell and taste has taken its time, but I strongly believe that it has come back about 50% for both. And it's come back faster than most cases I have heard of. I think from that day 4, my 10 days were very smooth in terms of no issues with symptoms, no unusual turn of events as is predicted with this new strain. It was mercifully quite a smooth ride, and I'm pretty sure it has a lot to do with the fact that I picked up the oils as immediately as I realized that this was going to be COVID. And the oils have not affected with my regular medication, which I strongly believe it's just complemented it and helped the whole process speed up the process of recovery. I think I may have recovered much sooner than I actually am told. I did do all 14 days of my quarantine. We still haven't taken a RT-PCR negative report, but we took a CT scan on day 7, which was absolutely normal, which we're very grateful for, because I believe around the 4th and 5th day, a lot turns, and CT scans for most people have had some inclination on it of some difficulties. But I'm feeling totally blessed, no use of steroids. And I do still use the oils, maybe twice a day. But honestly, I feel a lot of this whole process was faster because of the use of these oils. Because of, total faith, I followed the instructions given to me on how to use these oils and how often. I religiously use them 4 times a day minimum. It was a given. At the points that I was asked to use generously, because I believed that, and I know that this wasn't going to do any harm. If anything, it was only going to make my situation better. And it was proved to me within the first 2, 3 days, when my fever was normal, when my SpO2 levels were pretty stable. And, I was feeling much better. There was no sign of headache. There was no cough because I was using the Bactoclear as regularly. I think it is so important to follow instructions because these things are scientifically put together. And in situations like this, where a disease is so new and nobody really knows much about it, I think it's only in our benefit to give it our best and use it as prescribed as often as needed and not take this advice for granted.